Unlock a treasure trove of awesome freebies and discounts. Are you ready to discover all the amazing rewards hiding inside your Globe One app? First things first, make sure you have the Globe One app installed on your smartphone. If not, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it now. Open the Globe One app and log in using your Globe mobile number or your Globe at Home account details. This will be the key to your rewards kingdom. Once you're logged in, look for the Rewards tab, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to enter the exciting world of Globe rewards. Now browse through the available rewards. You'll find a variety of options like data boosts, discounts on shopping, dining deals, and much more. The options are truly diverse. Tap on a reward that catches your eye to see more details, including its description, validity period, and any specific instructions for claiming it. If you're ready to claim your chosen reward, simply tap the redeem button. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you're absolutely sure. Confirm your redemption, and voila! Your reward is now active and ready to be used. You will receive a text message with instructions on how to utilize your newly acquired treasure. You can always check your redeemed rewards in the My Rewards section within the app. This allows you to easily keep track of what you've claimed and when it expires. That's it. You've successfully redeemed a reward in the Globe One app. Now go out there and enjoy the awesome benefits of being a Globe subscriber.